Saving for a specific goal is more motivating. The Bank of America mobile app lets you create and track personalized savings goals right alongside your accounts. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In the app, navigate to your savings account. Look for a feature called Set Savings Goals or Goal Track. Tap to create a new goal. Name it, like new car or emergency fund, set a target amount, and choose a target date. You can then make one-time or scheduled transfers from checking to savings to fund your goal. The app visually tracks your progress with a progress bar or graphic. My crucial pro tip? Make the transfer automatic. When you create the goal, immediately set up a recurring, automatic transfer from checking to savings for that goal. Even a small weekly amount builds momentum. Automating it removes the willpower needed to save each month. Visualize your progress and make saving for your dreams a structured, rewarding process. What's a savings goal you're currently most excited about? For more motivational money guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.